That's what I want y'all to do. Always, no matter what, don't get the regular car wash. Go and get one of these type car wash. You can stop anywhere and get your car washed up. Telling you something good right here, man. Everybody need it. It is some dirty cars going around. It's just like your health. It's just like if your finances messed up or whatever, you just gotta go get a good wash it off and just start over. So I hope everybody have a blessed one. It's a Friday. Thursday, I'm in. See my mind, I'm getting it washed away and getting all thinking back again right. So on that note, man, y'all stay blessed, man. Stay up. Stay doing your thing, no matter if you in good health, good finances, family good, everything strong. You know you gotta keep pushing. On that note, I'm out. And I'm finna just let the machine work itself. Let's clean all this up. Let's cleanse this. Pretty good. I'm feeling a little bit better. Thursday's going on. Afternoon over into the late evening. Finna be nighttime in a couple of hours, understand me. Y'all gotta be strong. Keep pushing. Wake up tomorrow. It's gonna be a good Friday coming up. April 1st. Finna be here. It's March 31st. It's the end of the first quarter of the year, which was pretty good, but you know it can get much better. But on that note, we got to keep pushing, keep moving, and stay blessed. So let's just keep taking it in, keep cleansing your body. Go by your local car wash, drive through or whatever, and get in there every once in a blue moon, and just let it just concentrate and think. Outside, that's what you got to go back to. It's a world other than like no other world with all of the ups and downs that people are going through. Just avoid it. See, on that note, I'm out. Y'all stay up, stay blessed, stay prayed up. Here we go. Let's see what this journey leads to.